What's going on, folks? I'll show you how you would stop a problem you may have in your yard somewhere where you have like a tree that's leaning up against a fence, like a privacy fence or something like this, where it keeps on making a creaking sound. As you can hear, if you could look right here where I'm at, this tree is leaning up against this fence, and every time like the wind blows, it's pretty much making that creaking sound, which you can hear when the wind blows. You hear that? That's a sound actually from a tree rubbed up against this fence. A quick thing that you could do to kind of stop that sound is what I'm about to do is take a piece of, this was just like a piece of double-sided tape. That one side of it's almost like it's nice and smooth, to what I'm gonna do is basically just take this tape, kind of push back against the fence like that, and kind of put that in between the fence and the tree like that. And once you've put that there, that pretty much should stop you from hearing that loud creaking sound where the tree is rubbing up against this privacy fence right here. Once again, folks, this is a quick way that you can stop if you have an issue where there's a tree leaning up against a privacy fence making like a creaking sound, just by taking a piece of double-sided tape and putting it on the fence. That way the tree is not making contact basically with wood against wood. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos, and please subscribe and like. Thanks.